if you are still curious and want to know how to do this one again, I can show it tomorrow at the tomorrow live videos again, how you can just blend this one and you put chromes on it. Okay, great. So I'm gonna cure. I'm using that Premium's iHo Chan for foil. Cure for 30 seconds. I'm excited for this design. And then we're going to go to do this cute black and white flowers, and then black and white butterflies. And also we are going to using this, whatever we call diamond shape. This is in your kit as well. Just a minute or no. Okay. Oh, this one is the one I did it last time. So you're gonna go back into, oh, powder out. I'm gonna get more. There you go. When it's so bright, I couldn't see it. Okay. More flower on that side. Give it really a good rub firmly. It's already good. It's like it's just transferred completely off for me. It's really cute. You can do whole nails with that. It looks really stunning. And this is transferred completely though. Right here. I said, wait a minute, so I'm showing backward. All right, so before you do anything else, and with this one, it doesn't have much tacky layer, but if you have a tacky layer and like you're feeling it, you can remove that. But if not, it's not a big deal. And I'm gonna put, oh, this is super cute though. She's so cute. I'm gonna pick her, this one right there. Use my little tweezers. I think I'm gonna pick her. She's super cute. Some of the gel polishes have really a lot of tacky layer, and like you might want to remove that first, because otherwise your sticker is gonna just sliding around. So you want to cute, just little cute one right there. She's the same one right here. I really like this though. Really cool. And if you want, you can paint yours just impressive. That's it. We still have that space for our crystal placement along like that. So maybe I think it's good. I am going to using Super Stunning. You can do half more in here, but I want some space for that butterflies. So I'm going to using condensed glue gels. And this cool butterfly stickers come in the black and the white too. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the black one and the white one. But I can't wait because we can do that white one on the black nails later for the bonus nail if we can't. Thin coat. Don't hesitate to blend it out because it's really thick density again. If you are getting one of two is Trifecta, it's a great investment. It's great products to get it for your crystal placement. And I am going using no white top coat again, floating on the top of condensed glue gels, which is unclear condensed glue gels. It's pretty by itself already. If you want to add some crystals on it, it's great. But I think it looks really good. Try to place that once right there. And my crystal AB mix. I would use smaller size. I just use a smaller size of the crystal because I don't want them to cover all of my beautiful flowers. I have it right there. Let's give it a little shake. So this is all the shape that is come into your anniversary kit. If you get some time, remember to check it out. Such a great value, and we are doing it exclusive for you, and is with over, I think, over $300 worth of products that yours for, I think, at $149. I can't wait to work on that kit because I'm doing it each of them right now for the designs right now. I think I should leave the flowers alone because it was so pretty. Let me see if I can give the butterflies blings. That's it. I don't want to bling her too much and take away from her. And just a couple of beads right there. This is really nice. I like that. I would move just a little bit. So will not cover the flowers. I'm adjusting it a little bit. Yeah, I like it better like that. Because it's gonna still show the flowers. Sorry, Instagram. Sorry, Instagram. Hey Instagram, welcome back to our live tutorial. I adjusting a crystal just a little bit because then it won't cover my butterflies on one side. Also, it's not cover my flowers on the other side. Thank you so much for welcome back. Okay, so if you're happy with this, you want to clear that for 30 seconds. No, 60 seconds. We don't have to for flash cure. I want to do it the 60-second full cure. Okay. So beautiful. I can't wait for the next nails because next nails we are going to do this beautiful cute amber tablets. In the meantime, I'm going to show you the kits. That is beautiful kits. I'm so thrilled and I'm just so excited to can't wait to have a hands on it, and I got to do it today. So we are gonna go together through all the different shape and how to achieve this. So fancy.